Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you, is the TikTok shop legit? Yes, absolutely. TikTok shop is a legit platform because it has verified sellers, secure payment methods, and of course buyer protection program. When you buy through the application, your payment information is encrypted and protected. And additionally, if for example your item doesn't arrive or it isn't what you expected, you can always request a refund. But there are a few things that you should watch out for, and the first one is that some sellers list knockoffs or low quality versions of trending items, and so keep that in mind. And you should always check the seller's ratings and reviews before you make a purchase. Stick to shopping inside the TikTok shop basically, and avoid clicking on external links or paying outside TikTok. And of course, never share personal information directly with the seller. So yes, TikTok shop is absolutely legit. But you should be safe and smart in that shopping. That's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.